Hello and welcome to Receptive Solutions. So today we talk about the work visa eligibility requirements for Luxembourg that have been revised for 2025 with a focus on addressing labor shortages by prioritizing applicants in high demand sectors. The change aims to attract skilled professionals from around the globe to support the country's economic growth and international competitiveness. According to Luxembourg Immigration, the adjustment reflects on ongoing strategies to meet the evolving demands of the national workforce. A newly revised list of 22 in-demand occupations published by the National Employment Agency ADEN identify the professionals currently experiencing the most accurate labor shortages. Among the high-demand occupations in Luxembourg for 2025 are roles in industrial maintenance, aircraft repairs, management consultancies, and railway operations. These sectors are experiencing significant shortages, creating more opportunities for qualified foreign workers. Meanwhile, certain roles in previously high demand, such as IT system consultant, roofing installation technicians, and production managers, have been removed from the list, indicating a shift in the labor market's need. Non-EU nationals seeking employment in Luxembourg must meet updated criteria. To obtain a work visa, these changes underscore Luxembourg's commitment to addressing skill shortages and enhancing its appeal as a destination for international talent. So, this was some information. Stay tuned with us for more such news. Thanks for watching.